They're going to run out of turns quick. Amari in the 4 position, but he is coming fast, just like Pavellos.
The orange and white drone is out in front. Halowalker now, for the first time, has to fly from behind and retake the lead. He's done it. They're around the building. The Aral Duran crane climb one final time. Closing moments. Halowalker's there. Through the final points cascade. Halowalker down. And he wins another level!
Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah!
You cannot say enough, and Evan, you have done your best to describe it, but the range of emotions, the adrenaline, everything that these guys go through amplified in the last day and a half for Halowalker, as the utter disappointment he felt in level 9 is utter ecstasy here with the level 10 win.